Ready to take your woodworking to the next level? Meet the best track saws on the market. These powerful tools are a game changer, making precise cuts a breeze for DIYers and pros alike. With a track saw, you'll get cleaner, smoother cuts every time, whether you're working on a home project or a professional job. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to precision and efficiency with the best track saws available. If you want to know the product price, performance, or detailed use information, all of the links you can find description below. Like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5 position I have, Makita XPS. Looking for a cordless circular saw that delivers power and precision? Meet the Makita XPS. Powered by 2 LXT batteries, this saw boasts the innovative X2 LXT technology, providing more power, speed, and runtime without the hassle of a cord. The Makita-built BL brushless motor delivers an impressive 6,300 RPM, offering maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during the cut for optimal performance. With a variable speed control dial ranging from 2,500 to 6,300 RPM, you can achieve optimum performance in a variety of materials. Plus, the close-to-the-wall cutting feature allows for expanded cutting applications. The XPS01 PTJ is compatible with an optional guide rail system, producing accurate cuts with minimal tear-out. With a large 2x3/16 cutting capacity at 90 degrees and a bevel capability of 1 degree to 48 degrees, this saw is versatile and precise. What's not to like? While the plunge circular saw is a more portable option compared to a table saw, it may not be suitable for all applications. However, its portability makes it an ideal choice for job sites or workshops. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a powerful, cordless circular saw that delivers precise and accurate cuts, the Makita XPS is an excellent choice. Next I have Bosch GKT. Looking for a cordless track saw that matches the power of a corded one? Look no further than the Bosch GKT 18-volt track saw with plunge action. With its compact design and powerful performance, this saw is a game changer for your woodworking projects. The plunge mechanism allows for precise cuts with accurate depth, while the single bevel pivot point provides versatility for bevel and non-bevel cuts. Powered by biturbo brushless technology and a core 18-volt high-power battery, this saw delivers corded-like performance without the hassle of cords. What sets this saw apart is its eco mode, extending battery runtime by up to 30%, ensuring you can get the job done without interruptions. The onboard control module gives you speed setting control and tool feedback, enhancing your cutting experience. Connectivity with the Bosch Toolbox app allows you to customize settings and receive detailed feedback, putting you in complete control of your tool. While the minimum distance between the blade and the wall could be improved, this minor inconvenience is overshadowed by the saw's exceptional performance and mobility. The Bosch GKT 18-volt track saw is a must-have for any woodworker looking for cordless convenience without sacrificing power and precision. Next up, WEN CT. If you're finding a versatile saw that can handle any job with precision, meet the WEN CT Sidewinder plunge cut track saw. With its 10-amp motor and 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade, this saw can rip boards up to 2 by 3 inches thick with clean, splinter-free cuts. You can create 45-degree bevel cuts in boards up to 1 to 5 by 8 inches thick, making it perfect for a variety of projects. The saw is compatible with the WEN CT 9502 100-inch track and the WEN CT 992F track saw clamps, giving you even more cutting options. The precision grooves on the 12x625 by 8-inch base allow the saw to glide smoothly along the track, ensuring accurate cuts every time. One minor downside is that the saw can be a bit bulky and heavy, making it less portable than some other models. However, the benefits far outweigh this small inconvenience. The WEN CT 1065 Sidewinder plunge cut track saw is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for any woodworking project. Whether you're ripping plywood, trimming doors, or building furniture, this saw has you covered. Now, we present to you Evolution Power. Looking for a circular saw that can handle anything without blade changes? Evolution Power Tools is the answer. Its powerful 15-amp, high-torque motor ensures accurate cuts with an adjustable 2 by 2-inch depth. With an included 40-inch track, this saw offers unparalleled accuracy and reliability. The ergonomic soft grip handles provide comfort during extended use, while the dust extraction port keeps your workspace clean. The 0 to 45-degree bevel tilt with pivot allows for compatible and precise cutting capabilities, making it a versatile tool for any project. The premium 7 to 1 by 4-inch blade ensures smooth cuts every time. The standout feature of this circular saw is its ability to cut a wide range of materials without the need for blade changes. This not only saves you time, but also increases efficiency. One minor downside is that the saw is a bit on the heavier side, which may cause fatigue during prolonged use. However, the benefits far outweigh this small inconvenience. Overall, Evolution Power Tools is a powerhouse of a circular saw, offering power, precision, and versatility in one package. If you're looking for a reliable saw that can handle any job, this is the one for you. Finally, introducing our best choice, Makita SP6000J1. If you're looking for precision and power, the Makita SP6000J1 is a game changer. With a 12 amp motor and variable speed control, this plunge circular saw offers optimum performance across various materials. The large cutting capacity means you can handle even the toughest jobs with ease. One of the standout features is its precision-accurate cutting, which delivers a splinter-free mirror finish every time. The bevel capability from 1 degrees to 48 degrees, along with positive stops at 22.5 degrees and 45 degrees, ensures you get the exact cut you need. Plus, the electronic speed control maintains a constant speed under load, resulting in smooth cutting throughout. What sets this saw apart is its portability without sacrificing power. Ideal for use on the job site or in a workshop, it's perfect for cabinet installers, woodworkers, and general contractors alike. The only drawback you might find is its weight. While the magnesium components make it lighter than many competitors, it can still be a bit hefty for extended use. In summary, the Makita SP6000J1 is a top choice for anyone needing a best-in-class plunge circular saw. With its powerful motor, precision cuts, and ease of use, it's a tool you'll love having in your arsenal. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video, and all of the product links you can find in the description below. Hope this information has been helpful to you in finding the perfect product for your needs. Subscribe to our channel and like this video.